Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. Have you ever tried to book an Uber ride and then realized you're paying from the wrong card or wallet? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your payment type before your ride even starts. Whether you want to switch from credit card to cash, use your Uber wallet, or update your PayPal, I'll walk you through the simple steps right inside the app. By the end of this video, you'll never have to stress about payment mix-ups again. Let's get started. Open your Uber app and then select the destination and also make sure your location is on so that it picks the current location. And then pick the ride you want, the type of ride. So once you pick the Uber type, scroll down and pick a profile. And you can toggle the Uber balances to pay from cash, or you can change your payment method by clicking the payment methods you have. In my case, it's only one, but I can have more payment methods. I can pick the right one and make sure I pick that before choosing the ride. So now next click the button to request a ride. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.